The Right to Education (RTE) case refers to a legal dispute in India that began in 2012, surrounding the implementation of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act, 2009. The Act, also known as the RTE Act, makes education a fundamental right of every child in the age group of 6 to 14 years in India. The Act also provides for free and compulsory education to all children in this age group and makes it mandatory for private schools to reserve 25% of their seats for students from economically and socially disadvantaged backgrounds. In 2012, private schools in India challenged the constitutional validity of the RTE Act and its provisions for reservation of seats and reimbursement of fees for students from disadvantaged backgrounds. They argued that the Act imposed an undue burden on private schools and violated their right to administer their institutions as per their own discretion. The case was heard by the Indian Supreme Court, which upheld the constitutional validity of the RTE Act and its provisions for reservation and reimbursement. The court held that the Act was a necessary measure to ensure that every child had access to education, and that the rights of private schools were not absolute but subject to reasonable restrictions in the larger public interest. The Right to Education case was a significant legal dispute that brought attention to the importance of providing free and compulsory education to all children in India, and the role of private schools in achieving this goal. The judgment was seen as a step towards achieving the constitutional right to education and to ensure that no child is denied the opportunity to receive an education due to their socio-economic background.